Maybe I should change my shirt.
Your shirt looks nice.
Does it look
Why does it...
Hi, I'm Angela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've decided to make a YouTube channel about cleaning and the things that I do to try to help my family and I have a clean home. And I thought it would be a good way to connect with other people, other moms or other families that would just like to get to know each other and learn from one another on cleaning tips and just different ideas. I have 4 boys and I have a wonderful husband. I work full-time. Right now I work nights and try to find time to spend time with my kids and clean and my husband. My boys are from 10 to 17 and you think they would, by the age of 17 you would think they would learn to clean up after themselves and clean their own room, but no, they don't. So I still have to help clean up after them. I do like to have a clean home, and I just thought that it would be something fun that I could do. I thought that would be a way to connect with people. I hope you guys will come back and see what I have planned. See you next time, and I hope you have a good day.